Hi, Christine. This is Stacy Napper, your instructor, and I want to give you some video feedback regarding your employee manual assignment number one. First of all, I really like it that you had a attractive cover page that gave me a great first impression opening up your work. So as I scroll down, um, I'm going to um, share with you. I'm looking for the 6 items in the assignment: a welcome statement, an introduction to the company, at will policy, equal opportunity, new employee orientation, an acknowledgement form. I also look for spelling, grammar, how easy is it to read, and the formatting. So in general, yours is pretty great. Um, there are some feedback though that I have for you. First of all, other than kind of your welcome attractive font there, I would keep everything the same font family, because like your 501c3 is a different font than the words next to it. Um, and you could have your the subjects headings being a different size is fine. The other thing is regarding your justification. So center justification is not good. Um, you can have it so that it's left justified, or is the preference, because that's more professional. Um, and that's what I suggest that you do here. As far as the content, I think it's really, really good. And it's very clear and easy to read. I don't see grammar and spelling issues. I think that it's very clear to an employee um, what you are expecting of them. Um, this over here where you have process hanging out on the next page, those are called widows and orphans, and you never want to do that. I don't understand what this arrow here is for. Um, so I would get rid of that. I would leave some spaces here before the employee name, because that's flush up against there. And I don't know if you need to have it witnessed and signed by a supervisor. Um, so it all looks good. And I'm very pleased with your work.